everyone, so today I've got for you a chicken curry pie. Yeah, I know it sounds very odd, but I had a chicken curry pie the other day and oh my god, it's beautiful. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to make myself one. So 2 chicken breasts, everything was from Aldi, 2 chicken breasts were £2.29, coconut milk was 79p, the pastry was 99p, the diced onion that comes in a packet 45p, and the garden peas were 28p. You might have frozen peas already in, but that's what I'm going to pop in my pie. And then all I've got from my store cupboard is some mild curry flavouring. So yeah, really simple, dead easy to do. First off, I'm going to cut up my chicken and then let it marinate for a bit with some mild curry powder on it. If you don't like mild curry powder, pop some hot curry powder on if you like. Anyway, all the ingredients came to £4.80. In a hot oil pan, I'm just going to add in some onion. Just going to add in 1/3 of the bag, and then that can be saved for another meal. And then you just want to brown that off. Now I'm going to add in my chicken. Just got some olive oil on there and the curry powder. Just going to add in some garlic. You don't have to. Depends whether you like garlic or not. And give that a stir. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way through, just browned off. Now I'm going to add in half of my coconut milk. I've just got the full fat one. Give it a stir as well because it gets a bit lumpy inside. So half of that's going in. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? So if you like doing it like I do with the coconut milk and the curry powder, that's great. You could also at this stage use like a curry sauce in the jar if you like. It's up to you, or tikka, whatever your preference is. Right, just going to let that simmer off now, just for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add in the rest of the coconut milk, a spoon of chicken granules, a spoon and a half, just a little one, and give that a stir. And I'm also going to add in just a bit of corn flour. So I love the sauce really thick. And if you want to add any more curry in, it's totally up to you. But mine is going to be mild. Add some corn flour in. Give that a mix. And that is your filling. Add your mixture to an oven-proof dish. This is just a square one that I use. In that goes, and now it's nice and thick as well. You really needed that corn flour in there. There we go. Spread that all over the bottom. I'm going to add peas, you don't have to. I'm going to add half the tin. Give that a stir in. I'm just going to leave that till it cools, just for about 5-10 minutes. I've just trimmed my pastry. This is the already rolled one from Aldi. It's so easy to use. Just going to flatten it down round the sides like so. You can trim them if they're a little bit big. Mine's a little bit big here on this side, like that. And then with an egg wash or milk, I'm just going to pop that onto the top. Oh, this is going to taste beautiful. I know it is already. I've just tried the sauce. Oh, gorgeous. You can have any filling inside there as well, like I said. And this is going to go into the oven on 180. For about 20-25 minutes. Just have a look at your pastry as it's rising. Don't want to load it too much. I'm just going to add 2 little holes in the middle and pop that in, and I'll be back in 20-25 minutes. And look at that, it's bubbling hot, hot, hot. I'm just going to let it cool down for 5 minutes before I cut a slice and pop it onto my plate. Oh, it smells delish. All the ingredients were from Aldi, £4.80. I've made some chips as well to go with this. Just give it a try. Just makes a change from chicken and leek pie or chicken and mushroom pie. That is stunning. I absolutely love it. Guys, why not give it a go?
What is it?
Chicken curry pie.
Oh.
Come on,
Vinny! Come and taste this.
chicken curry pie.
You want to taste it? You want to taste it?
Ah!